In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert submit button in PDF forms in Adobe Acrobat. Let's get started inside Adobe Acrobat. With your PDF open, look toward the top of the interface and click All Tools. This opens the toolbox so we can work with forms. From here, choose Prepare a Form. This mode is designed for creating and editing interactive fields, and it's the right place to add a functional submit button. When Prepare a Form opens, click Create to let Acrobat analyze the document and set up the form environment. If your PDF already has fields, that's fine. Create simply confirms we're entering form editing. Once the workspace is ready, click Edit. This places you in the editing view where the field tools are active and you can add or modify form elements. Next, click More. This menu often contains additional options related to form preparation. If a confirmation or default setting prompt appears, click OK. That simply acknowledges the settings and keeps you moving forward in the form editor. Now it's time to add the button. In the toolbar, click the button tool. Your cursor changes, letting you draw the button directly on the page. Click and drag on the PDF where you want the submit control to appear. A clear, consistent location, usually near the end of the form, helps users know exactly where to finish. After placing the button, click Select Text to change the cursor. This takes you out of placement mode and into a selection mode that makes it easier to work with the field you just added. With that done, double-click the button you created. This opens the Properties dialog where you define how the button looks and behaves. First, change the button name to something meaningful. A concise name like Submit helps you identify the field in the form structure and ensures clarity if you review properties later. Then, go to the Actions area. Click Action to access the behavior settings and choose Submit Form. This assigns the Submit function to your button so that, when pressed, the form data can be sent according to your configuration. When you're satisfied with the selection, click OK to confirm the action and close the dialog. That's it. You opened the form tools, entered editing mode, added a button, adjusted its properties, and attached the Submit Form action. From here, you can align the button visually with other fields and test the interaction in the regular viewing mode to confirm everything responds as expected. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you set up your own submit button in Adobe Acrobat.